So what's the reason why most of us got on TRT, and what's the real reason why anyone should get on TRT? Well, let's talk about that. What's up, TRT community? Let's help each other. This video is sponsored by Let's Get Checked. More about them later in the video. You know good and well that if you just do a YouTube search for TRT or HRT, hormone replacement therapy, you know that most of the guys that you're going to see talking about this, not all of them because I pop up there too, most of those guys are going to be talking about your muscles and things like that. We've all seen that. That's why I like to call this channel the TRT channel for the rest of us, because so much of what's out there when it comes to TRT is all about your looks, how to get bigger muscles and things like that. And I've even seen jokes on some videos about like, oh, this was this guy back in his TRT days and stuff like that. But that's not why we got on TRT, at least most of us. I did a survey. Check this out. 346 of you participated in their survey. Thank you very much. And look, what's the primary reason why you started TRT? Only 8% of you said to look better. 88% of you said it was to feel better. 4% was other. By the way, in the comments, other was just like, one of them said like, I wanted to experiment with it to see if it helped me sleep better. But 88% of us get on TRT for the reason why we're supposed to be getting on TRT, and that's so that we can feel better, get back to our old self once again, because as you know, testosterone really affects your sense of well-being. That's why that's why 88% of you guys went to the doctor more than likely, is because you were feeling badly, you were feeling poorly, you were feeling not like your normal self. I wasn't either. My energy was gone, or it would just drop out of nowhere. My motivation was come and go, usually it was gone. My motivation was just so down. Libido was not normal. Also, feelings of like depression. I struggle with that. And I also did another survey to ask about that too, because guess what? Depression is sometimes a part of having low testosterone. Before TRT, did you experience any depression as a result of your low testosterone? Guys, the majority of you did, but just to differing levels. Look, yes, but it didn't bother me too much. That was 19% of you. Yes, and it concerned me. That was the majority. That was 46% of us said your depression concerns you. 22% said yes, and it was severe. And then only 13 of you said no, I didn't experience any of that at all. Now, guys, you know what this means? 87% of you said yes, I experienced some level of depression. That's quite a lot, okay? If you've ever gone to the doctor because of feelings like this, because you were down or something like that, you guys know, at least most of you do, that doctors like to hand out antidepressants like candy. Now, I'm not a doctor, and this is not medical advice at all. But I do know this. There are probably a lot of you on an antidepressant that probably don't have to be. You're probably just experiencing low testosterone. Have you ever checked your testosterone? I think you should. And that's where Let's Get Checked comes in. They offer at-home, affordable, and professional testosterone testing kits. The package comes right to your house. It's very easy to do. You fill in your info, you prick your finger, you give the blood sample, you send it back. And then just days later, you get your results right on your phone. It's super easy. If you're interested in that, link description below. Also in the pinned comment, use Cohen20 and you'll get 20% off your kit. That way, you can know whether or not your testosterone is low at all, or just go see your doctor like I did. Then you'll know, is the root of my depression low testosterone? Because guys, listen, I've got a friend, he told me about being on an antidepressant. He said it affected his conscience. He said when he was on those meds that he was doing things, it was almost like his conscience was turned off, and he was just doing things that before would have really bothered him. So you just need to understand that not all of those meds are good for you. So let's treat the symptoms rightly. Let's get to the real cause of you being down. It might just be that you have low testosterone. Okay, I've got to really make sure I'm not misunderstood here. I'm not saying in any way that you should get off medication if you truly, definitely need it. Okay, I'm not saying that at all. I am just trying to say that you need to make sure that you're taking those meds and that they are treating the right symptoms. That's all I'm saying. If it's just low testosterone, then testosterone might be a better answer for you than some mind-altering medication. That's my main point, okay? But what about looks? Are we going to discount that altogether? We know that once we get our testosterone levels to normal ranges, that, you know, your physique can improve if you work on it. And it can actually improve pretty easily if you just work on it. If you take care of your diet and you exercise/workout consistently, are you going to see some difference? Yes, you will. It's just the truth of it. You're just going to. That's just natural biology. And so, yes, you will definitely experience a difference in your looks too. But if that's your motivation for getting on TRT, that's a wrong motivation. Because unless you've got problems with your testosterone level, don't be messing with your testosterone, okay? Big no-no, because if you mess up those levels that your body, that nature is keeping perfectly balanced for you, and you start messing with them, you're probably going to wish you didn't, okay? There can be some side effects because they affect your sense of well-being. That's why we, who have low testosterone, got on TRT in the first place, because our sense of well-being was way off. We weren't our normal selves. And so I don't want you messing with your natural testosterone levels, especially if they're perfect, just for some advantage in the gym. It's not a great trade-off, okay? And I'm saying that because I care about you. I don't want you messing with your body when you don't have to, because all of us watching, at least 88% of us watching, wish we didn't have to inject TRT. We wish our body was keeping our levels normal like it used to. But you know what? I'm so thankful, and I know you are too, that we have this option of TRT. So, is low testosterone the cause of why you're feeling bad when it comes to your energy, libido, motivation, mood? It very well could be. If you haven't gotten that checked yet, please just go see your doctor or just get one of these easy at-home testing kits, okay? Just take the first step for me, please, okay? You may be on the road to a better you in just a month's time. Who knows? It's helped me tremendously. Guys, that's all I got. If this video is helpful for you, please leave a like. That really helps with the YouTube algorithms. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate all of you. God bless. Peace.